Hello friends, and today I am unboxing handy massager. So let's begin. So I've ordered this from Flipkart. So now we will cut this thing. You can check there is nothing on the box. So now we will cut this the box. Okay, the box is little bit big, and you can just check this, the smaller box, the real box. You can just check this. The machine is something like this. This is the instruction manual, how you can use, how to attach to hand. If you want, you can pause and see. Okay, now we will open this box. Okay, so you can just see this, that there is a plastic wrapper in which the machine is wrapped. Okay, so I will take this machine out. Okay, so the machine is a little bit heavy, but it's awesome, it's good. Okay, so we have to wear our hand inside this like this. Okay, so you can just check the plug or the wire. Okay, so now we will check the vibrating power of the machine. Whoa, it seems to be very much vibrating. So that's it for today, guys. Let's aim for 50 likes